Hi everyone, I want to show you how to use dates in ODV. Dates meaning date and time as values. And before I start showing it, I want to introduce you to the problem. So in here, I have an ODV project and it's a classical project. What I have here is a section. In this section, I have the section distance. It's actually an estuary and that's the distance from the coastline. And I have water depth where I sampled the samples and each sample has its salinity and it's an estuary, so fresh water coming from here and salt water coming from there, water going down, and that's an estuary, typical estuary. But what if I wanted to show you, let's see, the annual cycle of salinity? That's an average for 3 years. As you can see here, I have the dates, and if I move around, dates should change. They change. Okay, that's a 3 years database. So if I wanted to change, let's say, that x-axis to date, theoretically, I just need to choose the date, but it's not here. Even though it's in the database, it's not here. So I have to do something. And what I have to do is this. I have to add another column to this database. I do it here, just before the bottom depth. By the way, that's an ODV template. You'll have it on your post, and the value is the day plus time, and the formatting is in ISO 8601, and that's also the column heading you need to put there. So let's put the column heading and then go to Wikipedia and see what this ISO means. This ISO is an international date format, and we have samples here. So we need to format our value this way. That's the year, then we have a minus, and then the month, and the day, and then we go to the time, and that's the format. There are quite a few ISO 8601 formats, but the one I use is this one. I go here, then I go to format, and I select additional number formats, and personally tailored. I don't know the English of it. And then, as we've seen, Y, meaning the years, minus the months, minus the days, and then we go to time, T, and that's the hours, then the minutes, then the seconds. So the hours, the minutes, just type it here, and as you can see, the format evolves. Okay, so that's ISO 8601, and now I have both the value and the format, and I put it on the whole database. I copy paste it for the whole database, and just because the type of analysis I want, I filtered so that I have only one station, and actually I've already prepared it, so let's open the with ISO database, and I change it to temperature, and it's easy to see now the annual cycle of temperature. Those are the dates, that's the depth, and this is the temperature. And actually we're done. Thank you.